Only a handful of people in this world have truly mastered the art of manifesting their dreams. They effortlessly bring their desires to life time and time again. But what about the rest of us? What about those who are still waiting for their manifestations to materialize? What is it that sets these rare individuals apart from the rest? You see, many videos out there talk about the importance of high vibrations. The idea that raising your vibrations can pave the way for easy manifestation. But let me ask you, have you ever wondered how to actually achieve this? What are the secrets, the practices that these successful people follow to consistently raise their vibrations? Well, my friend, wonder no more. Today, we are going to delve deep into this fascinating realm. We will unravel the mysteries behind those who have unlocked the power of high vibrations and manifested their desires time and time again. Get ready to discover the practices that will not only raise your vibrations, but allow you to tap into the unlimited potential of the universe. We'll explore ancient wisdom, powerful techniques, and modern science that will transform your manifestation journey. Because here's the thing, the key to manifesting your dreams is within your reach. It's just a matter of understanding how to unlock it. So, are you ready to step into your true power? Are you ready to tap into the energy that will manifest your desires? But wait, before we dive into this incredible journey of discovery, there's a small favor we'd like to ask. If you enjoy our content and want to support us, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll join a community of like-minded individuals on a path toward manifestation mastery. Don't miss out on the incredible insights and practical tips we'll be sharing throughout this video series. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, because we've only just scratched the surface. Get ready to embark on a transformational journey. Welcome to a world where dreams become reality through the power of high vibrations. Habits are powerful. They shape our reality and determine our success. Highly vibrational people understand this and have developed habits that accelerate their journey towards success. The first habit practiced by highly vibrational individuals is positive thinking. They understand the power of their thoughts and choose to focus on the positive aspects of life, even in challenging situations. Affirmations play a vital role in their daily routine. They recite positive affirmations, reinforcing their belief in their abilities and attracting positive experiences into their lives. Highly vibrational people prioritize their mental well-being through meditation. They understand the importance of calming their minds and connecting with their inner selves. Meditation helps them stay focused, reduce stress, and tap into their intuition. Nature is their sanctuary. They spend time outdoors, embracing the beauty and tranquility of the natural world. This connection with nature nourishes their souls and rejuvenates their energy. Another habit highly vibrational people practice daily is gratitude. They express gratitude for both the big and small things in life. By focusing on what they are grateful for, they attract more abundance and positivity. Highly vibrational individuals understand the power of giving. They help others selflessly, knowing that their actions have a ripple effect in the universe. By serving others, they create positive karma and elevate their own vibrations. Self-care is crucial for maintaining high vibrations. They prioritize their physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. They nourish their bodies with healthy food, exercise regularly, and practice self-reflection to cultivate inner growth. Goal setting is a habit highly vibrational people thrive on. They set clear and achievable goals, break them down into actionable steps, and stay committed to their vision. With a targeted focus, they manifest their desires with ease. Visualization is a powerful tool used by highly vibrational individuals. They vividly imagine their goals already achieved, feeling the emotions of success. This practice aligns their vibrations with their desires, making manifestation more effortless. Continual learning is another habit embraced by highly vibrational people. They are always seeking knowledge and expanding their horizons. Whether it's reading books, attending seminars, or listening to podcasts, they immerse themselves in personal growth. Highly vibrational individuals understand the importance of releasing negativity from their lives. They let go of toxic relationships, limiting beliefs, and past traumas. By doing so, they make space for positivity and abundance to flow into their lives. Reflection is a habit highly vibrational people cherish. They take time to reflect on their actions, learn from their mistakes, and celebrate their achievements. This self-reflection allows them to grow and evolve on their manifestation journey. Vibrational people surround themselves with like-minded individuals who uplift and inspire them. They create a positive support network that fosters growth and encourages manifestation. Through collective vibrations, they amplify their desires. Highly vibrational people express themselves creatively. They engage in activities that bring them joy, whether it's painting, dancing, or playing an instrument. This creative outlet allows them to tap into their inner power and align with their authentic selves. Failure is not seen as a setback, but as a stepping stone on their journey. Highly vibrational individuals embrace failure as an opportunity for growth and learning. They understand that with every failure comes a valuable lesson that brings them closer to their goals. Highly vibrational people celebrate their successes, both big and small. They acknowledge their achievements, no matter how small, and celebrate their progress on their manifestation journey. This gratitude for their successes amplifies their vibrations even more. Being fully present in each moment is a habit highly vibrational individuals practice. They let go of worries about the future and regrets from the past. By living in the present moment, they savor life's experiences and attract more abundance into their lives. Love and compassion are at the core of highly vibrational people. They radiate love and kindness towards themselves and others. This energy of love attracts more love, joy, and harmony into their lives. Lastly, highly vibrational individuals have an unwavering belief in the power of manifestation. They trust that the universe supports their desires and that their thoughts and actions align with their dreams. This deep belief fuels their manifestation journey. And that concludes our video on the habits practiced by highly vibrational people that make them successful. We would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. Let us know which habit resonated with you the most and how you incorporate it into your life. As you continue on your manifestation journey, remember that you have the power within you to create the life you desire. May the universe bless you abundantly and support you every step of the way. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting and embrace the vibrations of success. May all your dreams manifest. God bless.